Chalo, one would be this side and second would be this side. Yes, stand there. Yes, please look at the side. Look at them. चलिए सुनिए, आप लोगों को थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ. आप लोगों को एक एक क्वेश्चन इन दोनों से पूछना है, समझ रहे हो? क्वेश्चन आप लोग, यू कैन आस्क एनीथिंग. एनीथिंग मीन्स whatever you wanna ask, you can. Whatever you wanna ask, anything. It means feel free to ask. You can ask about their personal life. You can ask about their academics. You can ask about their career. You can ask about their weakness or some qualities. So the first row, it's your turn. The first row, it's your turn. The first row, the chashma wali girl. Look at this side. Chalo. The first. Chalo. I'll start from that side. Yes. Ask. Stand up. नहीं वो. One by one. हाँ, पहले आप आंसर करेंगे फिर आप आंसर करें. You can ask anything you want. Yes, it's your turn. Yes. What do you want to become in future?
I want to become a professor.
You want to become a professor in future. In which subject? Economics. What is the spelling of economy?
ECONOMICS.
Shabash. So next, please. Next, please. Did you meet your parents?
Yes, I met
When did you meet your parents?
I met with my parents at 10 o'clock.
You met your parents at 10 o'clock. Yes, next.
When will you give me party?
With whom? Whom are you asking? Whom? Her or her? When are you giving her party?
I'll give you party at night.
At night. Is it just for answering or to impress someone? Really?
Yes, really?
Are you giving her party?
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'm going to ask her, okay? Yes, next please. Anything you can ask. Anything you can ask.
How many plates of biryani did you eat?
मुझे नहीं पूछो अल्लाह के.
Half plates of biryani I have.
You have eaten only half plate. कसम से. एक प्लेट नहीं खा पाती हो?
Sir, little bit I have
अच्छा, you have saved half plate. Astaghfirullah. Really, I can eat one plate biryani completely at a time.
That time I was not well.
Oh, that time you were not hungry. So are you hungry now? Chalo, you better go. Hey, Adiba, when did you come? Today. How are you?
Okay.
You're okay. You better go. Yes.
What did you buy today?
What did you buy today? Huh?
I bought many things
Like what?
for biscuits,
Like biscuits, chocolates.
cold drinks,
Bus.
pastries.
Yes. Thank you. It means
Because we are going to have a party.
a party?
Yeah.
Hey, at Happy Home we are going to have party, big party, because all the students have collected some amount of money from every student. उन्होंने पैसा को जमा किया. I think it may around 1200. I think 12 or 30, like that. It may be 1500 like मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. So after Maghrib we are going to have a party there. Oh, that's good news for you all. You are too?
Yeah.
Who gave the party?
We will give.
You have
Sir, we
collected
have
the amount. You have made a plan.
Yes.
So what is the reason that you are making party?
Sir,
Is there any
just like want to have fun.
Oh, you just want to have fun. That's why you are organizing a party. अच्छा चलो, you better have you asked बेटा? किसको इसको?
When you will be meeting your parents again?
Yeah, good job.
I will be meeting with my parents on in September.
In September, why? It's too long.
Yes, sir.
Are your parents not coming after 2 or 3 weeks?
No, I'm not coming.
So why have they are they doing any kind of government job?
No.
Is your parents a housewife or
My
does
father is a businessman. He used to he used to
Acha. So what about your mother?
She's also
She is handling your father. She is busy on that. Yes.
what is the name of your place?
What is no, no, nice. No. It's a too long. It's too long. There is no problem. Better ask another question.
What?
Why are you singing?
When you are sad.
Why are you sad?
Why am
Why are you sad?
I'm not sad.
You are not sad. Yes.
Can you please help me? Can you please help
जिंदा जिंदा चीटिंग हो रही है. हाँ चलो पूछो. हाँ कोई नहीं पूछो देखिए पूछो.
Can you please help me to add something powerful in my speech?
Yes, good job.
Yes, I can help you to add something powerful.
So what are you going to write there?
First of all, I will look at your speech, then everything else.
So what can you add there? You couldn't add anything in your speech. So add something in your speech. I would really appreciate that. You add there, huh? Especially after the Hindi. I was about to add, but if you can add, it would be better.
In English or in Hindi?
In English, not in Hindi. You know I'm good at Hindi. Very poor. I can't read the Parman Patra. What was the word Parman Patra? Or? Parnam Patra. Parnam. Parman Patra. Hey, yesterday there was a speech. I was reading that. Parman Patra. Parman Patra. So give a big round of applause for this two students. Now you grab your seats. Come all the students. Come all the students. हाँ, जो गया उनको बुलाओ. Yes. May I know the reason that why didn't you attend the class? Be honest, huh? It means you got late, that's why you didn't attend the class. Is it like that? But when she came here, she told me that there are some students who were sitting in the room. She came, I think, before 13 to 50 minutes. So it means you came before 1 hour. No? आप देखे थे जब वो आए थे यहाँ पे रूम में?
मेरी बात आई थी सर.
आपके यहाँ आने के बाद आई थी.
नहीं, मैं जब यहाँ पहुँच गई थी फिर वो आई नहीं.
Thank you. Your class ends here, okay? Thank you. You leave that. I request you not to waste your time because I think you can give your time in other subjects. Okay, good job. Thank you. Leave that. Thank you. Leave that now. Leave that. Leave that. Yes, you please. You just came now.
10 minutes.
Huh?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Is it really like that or you just making false? झूठ बोल रहे बेटा. बैठो. हाँ. What about yours? हाँ? 50 minutes पहले. तो why didn't you attend the class? Huh?
Sir, please change.
Get down. Sit down. Yes. No? No? You didn't come now? When I entered the hostel, I saw you there in your bed. That is a big lie. Huh? Yes. Well, this is the last class. This is your last class. So better take permission from Tafim sir, then I'll make you there. In which group? Group B. She will not be there, okay? If she will not show me the signature of Tafim sir, I will not let her come to the class. Leave that. So why didn't you come here? Were you about to come or not? Huh? Were you? आने चाह रही थी कि नहीं? तो कितना देर पहले आई थी आप? 20 मिनट पहले. क्लास आने वाली थी कि नहीं? बैठो. हाँ, क्या आपका? बेटा वो मैं जब आई थी ना, वो मेरे साथ ही आई रास्ते में. हाँ, तो रास्ते में खाना आके यहाँ खाना खाई, फिर क्लास में बैठी. दिस इज योर लास्ट क्लास. गो. बैठो. हाँ. अरे बेटा आप क्यों आए? आप जाओ. क्या हुआ? क्यों? झूठ बोल रही है? कौन? 5 मिनट पहले आई. क्या अभी आई बेटा आप मार्केट से? अभी आई मार्केट से. बैठो. व्हाट अबाउट योर्स? बैठो. तुम्हारा? सो गए थे? इट इज योर लास्ट क्लास, ओके? यू हैव टू गेट मी द सिग्नेचर ऑफ तफीम सर. कौन से ग्रुप में है ये? सिग्नेचर तफीम सर का होगा तब बैठने देना है. चलो. हाँ चलो बेटा. इनका बाहर खड़ी थी वो. चलो बैठो. चलो बैठो. अब शादी खत्म हो गई, बारात जा रही हो अभी. असल कुछ तो रीजन चाहिए ना कम करने के लिए. I just know one thing, that if you do not deserve something, if I do not deserve something, I should not go there. अगर मुझे अगर 10 करोड़ के कपड़ा पहनने को मेरी औकात नहीं है तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं वो 2000 रुपए के कपड़े पहनूंगा, मैं 500 के कपड़े पहनूंगा. If I do not deserve, then I'll not go. So this is the simple thing I follow. So language is not about just wasting time and thinking about that. You have to be consistent. If you're not consistent, you are not going to learn. So the main problem that कि आप लोगों को यहाँ पे मिल रहा है ना, तो इसलिए आप ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कीजिए, उसके बाद जाइए ये सब ट्रेनिंग में जाइए, तब आपको मालूम होगा कि क्या आपको लगेगा. यू आर गेटिंग फ्री, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर नॉट गिविंग योर एफर्ट. क्या हुआ आपका? हाँ? You just drop. You just arrived from where? Afghanistan. क्यों इतना बीमार होते हो आप? क्या हुआ है?
मेरी तबीयत खराब है.
अच्छा चलिए. तो जिन जिन को मैंने बोला तो उनको तभी आप लोग अपने ग्रुप में बैठने दीजिएगा. मुझे याद दिलाना, मैं भूल जाता हूँ. मैं जब आऊंगा तो ये प्लीज रिमाइंड मी कि इनको आपने साइन करने बोला था, ये नहीं लाई है, ये बैठी हुई है. ओके? इट इज योर जॉब टू लेट मी नो अबाउट इट. ओके? So they cannot understand the things because the training that they are getting after completing their education, if they will go abroad and if they will if they will be searching for such kind of training on the time, they cannot afford the training. So that's why they are not serious. And I think it's my privilege to free from those students who are not serious about it. So I can only give something to those students who can have. And I have given an example at the beginning of my first introduction public speaking club. कितने थे वहां पे फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन पब्लिक स्पीकिंग क्लब में? सिर्फ एक थे पहला इंट्रोडक्शन क्लब में. वो ऊपर में बैठे थे, ऊपर में. 1 2 3. मैंने बताया था कि ये बोतल है. इस बोतल में मैं इस बोतल के उल्टा करके अगर पानी डालना चाहूं तो यहां से मैं पानी नहीं डाल सकता, क्योंकि डायरेक्शन गलत हो तो कितना भी एफर्ट कर दें तो नहीं आएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट वुड बी बेटर नॉट टू वेस्ट टू पुट द वाटर ऑन द रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. बेहतर यही है कि ढक्कन लगा दो, उस बोतल में पानी डालो जो जिस बोतल में पानी ऑब्जर्व कर सके. आर यू गेटिंग मी और नॉट? यस. सो चलिए, चलो, make a pair everyone. Make a pair. Make a pair. Stand up and make a pair. Chalo, you just have 3 minutes. You have to make a talk, okay? You just have 3 minutes. You have to make a talk.